Hey y'all, it's me Marty. Welcome to another video. Welcome to another My Backpacking Kits video. I think this is the final one. I think it's number 7, 8, something like that. I lose track. Anywho, this is my Possibles kit. I got a lot of stuff in this one. So, I know this is a cool bag. I love my pouches and kits and military, tactical, surplus things. They're all different colors, they're all different camo, but I like them and I know they add weight, and I just like my kits and my packs. I like to be organized. This is a neat one. So, I call this my Possibles kit because it has everything possible that I would need that's not in other kits, okay? Because I have my other kits that I showed you. This is things that don't fit into any of those kits, and this is usually at the bottom of my pack for kind of emergency. A lot of this stuff is more emergency, but you just never know. I have a lot of things in here, y'all. Okay, and these are extras and doubles of some other things I have in other kits and other places in my backpack, but yeah, some of it's just, yeah. So I'll just show you what's in here. I don't even remember what's in this one. I have a few different possible kits too. Okay, oh, I have a fishing kit in here. All the basics for fishing. I mean, in a survival situation, you can just grab a stick and put a line on it and fish. You don't even need a stick for that matter. You can just do it over water or whatever. But I have all the basics for making basically a fishing pole and doing some fishing. And it's fun to do. And you can catch fish for survival, for food. So yeah, a little fishing kit. This is, that was a blanket. No, this is a bag of baggies. Bag of baggies. You know, for, yeah, just stuff. It's good to have that. A sewing kit with all the stuff you need for repairing things. There's a lot of repair stuff in here. A full roll of Gorilla Tape. Now you can have duct tape, electric tape, or whatever, or Gorilla Tape. I like Gorilla Tape. And yeah, you can just wrap some a little bit, but it doesn't take much room. Why not have a whole roll? My thought is, if you're going to need Gorilla Tape to repair your shoes or pack or pouch or whatever, or who knows what, or fire starter, you know, you're going to need quite a bit, so why not have a whole roll? So I have a whole roll in there. Okay, then I have some toilet paper and paper towels, because, you know, yeah, poop happens and other stuff. Okay, here I got some more tinder for starting fires, cotton balls and tea lights. Tea lights are really good. I should do a whole video just on tea lights. It's a good thing to have. Another lighter. I like these lighters. These are really good for getting into your little fire stoves and different things. It's a long one. It's like, I'd go again, it's one of those truck stop deals. There's this long skinny one that's kind of a neat lighter. This is a charger for my phone, and this is a charging bank for my phone, actually, for a couple of my headlamps too. And this is another, this is a charger for my headlamp, or yeah, my headlamp. This is those things for mouse spreaders for fish, but actually you can use it to hang a pot over a fire. So yeah, use that for fishing or hang a pot. Got another magnesium bar fire starter ferro rod thing in there. I have an emergency candle in here, and I think this is a UCO that burns for like 9 hours. And then I have some of these little things bouncing around in here. These things are so cool. It looks like a little, I don't know, Altoids or Sucrets or something. It's a towel, y'all. You open this up and you get it wet, and it folds out to a big towel. So, and I have a few of these bouncing around, and it's kind of cool. A couple of random carabiners in here, some AA and AAA batteries in here, another power cord, which I'm not sure which that one's for. And yeah, that's about it. But a lot of different things. See if I can get all this in here. And I'll add things, I'll take things out. Just a lot of different things for just possibles. Whatever is possible that could happen. You know, different things, emergency or survival, or different things you would maybe need. Again, I have some different ones, and some of my different possible kits have different things in them too. But just different things that don't really fit into my other backpack kits. Hey, the sun's coming up. It's been an early morning. I got up early to do these series of videos, but I hope you enjoy them. But yeah, it's my Possibles kit. I like that. And I have one in every pack, whether it's my lightweight pack, my day pack, my bigger packs, whatever. I have a Possibles kit, and whether it's a big pack or a big kit or a small one. I'm getting tired. But yeah, I like this. I like the color. It's kind of cool, camo and stuff. But yeah, that is my Possibles kit. Okay, so I think that's it for kits, pretty much. Again, I just like my kits for my packs. I like to have things organized. I like to know where things are. You know, just grab whatever kit I need, pull it out, and I have everything in the different variety for different situations. I have everything in that kit. Again, in my pack, there's other things that aren't in kits, like my knife and my saw and bandana, gloves, headlamp, flashlight, compass, whistle. All those, there's a bunch of different things in my pack that aren't in kits, but I have like 7-8 kits that kind of organize most of my gear in my packs. That's just the way I like to do it. Rather than have a whole bunch of pockets with different things all over the place or things bouncing all over, most of my packs just have a big empty area, open area, where I can have a whole bunch of different kits in there. I just like that, and they all just fit in there good. And I'm always adding things, changing things up. And again, I have smaller packs and bigger packs. The bigger the pack, the more stuff would be in there, and I'd have other kits too and other gear. But again, I'm pretty thrifty. I like DIY, and some of the things I buy, but then I add to them. Some of the things I make, and yeah. Anyway, that's about it. That's the last video, I believe, unless I add another kit to this little series of my backpacking kits. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and this series of videos. Please, if you did, give it a thumbs up. Watch the playlist of all these little videos. And yeah, please comment. Put comments right there. Let's talk back and forth. It's really fun. I try to answer everybody's comments. And again, my channel is just me sharing my life. I hope you enjoy, get something out of it. I hope it at least helps you smile or laugh. And I mean, how can you not laugh? Look at me. I'm a putz. I'm a dork. I'm a nerd. But I am who God created me to be. And I try to just live fully every day, and just, even in the middle of all the chaos and trials of life, and there's a lot, but just try to make the most of every moment. The sun's coming up in Arizona here, and I'm just going to make the most of this day, and just, yeah, I'm going to go for a walk before it warms up too much. And yeah, well, first I'm going to edit these videos and put them up for you. So I hope you enjoyed these videos today. And yeah, thanks so much for more coffee. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.